So we've worked with Daylesford Organic for many years now. I think we've been working with them for about 15 years or so. To see the business grow and to work alongside them to help and support them over that time has been fantastic.
So we've been farming organically for over 45 years, and 20 years ago we opened our first farm shop here in the Cotswolds. Since then the site has grown to include a spa, holiday cottages and a huge restaurant and hospitality complex. So the laundry is the beating heart of the business at the end of the day. Our kitchens through to our spa and our holiday cottages produces laundry in some form. It's really important for us that every single customer gets the same high standard when they come into our doors.
Daylesford used to have several laundries in different locations at different sites. They needed to bring that all in-house to control the quality. We looked at what the projection was for future growth and then come up with a solution that will work years down the line.
Gilman's have been absolutely fantastic in taking the plans that we wanted to execute and making recommendations, and they helped us to firm up our choice on choosing the new Miele machines.
They need to process 1,000 kilos a day, so we've got two 32 kilo washing machines, two 24 kilo washing machines, and then we've got four 32 kilo tumble dryers.
It's a really exciting project because they are using their own biomass boilers to heat up all of the water, and we've been able to utilise our hot water dryers to ensure we're getting the most sustainable and economical laundry on this premises.
So the biomass boiler burns fuel that's sourced locally, so wood chip that's sourced just down the road. That creates heat, and that heat is then channelled into the laundry where it helps to power our tumble dryers.
We have always worked well with Gilman's. They have always supported us in our laundry requirements, and they were the ones who recommended Miele to us to help us with our provision here.
So sustainability is at the heart of everything that we do. The key for us is to always work with businesses and suppliers that have similar mindsets and their sustainability credentials. We've been using Miele for 15 years with our old machines, and it was really important for us to keep that legacy alive, but also because of their advancing technology and the ability to program different things to make their machines more efficient.
We as a company take sustainability very seriously. We like to be involved in these projects given that energy costs are rising, climate change, and we want to ensure that we're at the forefront of being able to offer a solution for an on-premise laundry of this scale.
This has been a great project for us. We've got a team of engineers that can maintain these machines, and again helps productivity, helps energy efficiency and ultimately sustainability.
The aftercare service is exceptional. They always come to site as a matter of urgency. They're actually based locally. It's again using local suppliers. Gilman's themselves have kept the same engineers for many, many years, keep coming back to us, which is fantastic.